Alright, so in this video we're going to cover mirror curve. And mirror curve is pretty basic. All it does is curve your sketch as if it was along a mirror. I was going to say curve a mirror. Okay, let's make this a little interesting. Oh, whoops. Just so that we have something for you guys to actually see as it mirrors. I think that's a better example. Okay, so mirror curve, you just go right down here. It's right next to pattern curve, mirror curve, and what we'll do, it will mirror this sketch along this sketch plane. So if I select this one, everything will be chosen, and I can select the center line. So this pretty much means the axis that I wanted to mirror around. Now I go to the Y, and you see, there it is, sketched across. Okay? If I want, I can do the same thing, and I can make it go across the X. And there we go. And you see how they all have the distance from here? And they're not right next to each other? The reason that is because you can't mirror something onto itself. What it does is it takes this sketch plane and creates a mirror image on the other axis of that sketch plane. So I can't just mirror this with this line being its center line, because then it's not an equal. That's not what this tool does. What this tool does is recreate this here, but mirrored either in this area or this area. It wants to pretty much use this entire sketch box as your frame of reference. Okay? So it doesn't mirror the shape. I've been saying mirror so many times. It doesn't reflect the shape along itself. It does that based on how it is on the entire sketch. Okay? So it's in reference to the entire sketch. The closest that you can get if you want this to reflect about its sides is if we were to move this. Now it's not fully constrained, so shapes will come out weird as I do that, as I grab it like this. But you get the idea. So now if I wanted to, and then let's just put this one more to the X, really what I should do is make these lines collinear. I didn't want to do that in the beginning because I didn't want these edges to go crazy, since nothing's constrained, it's all just a blank sketch. Now when we do mirror, it will reflect about itself like that. Now, I pressed escape. I think it'll be better if I do it along the x-axis for you guys to see. And you see now it's along that edge. And if you want, there it is on Y. And that's mirror. That's pretty much all there is to it. It's just following the text box